Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video, we are going to discuss NCERT Class 8 Chapter 2 Linear Equation in One Variable Exercise 2.2 Problems, that is continuation to the previous video. Now let us see the 8th problem. Here, three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in an increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find this solution, that is find those numbers. Here they have given that there are three consecutive integers. Here consecutive integers is nothing but integers that are having side by side, and they are such that when they are taken in an increasing order and those integers are to be multiplied by 2, 3 and 4, and when we added these, the result will be 74 and we should find those number. Now here let us assume three consecutive integers as integers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Now according to the question, they have given that these integers are multiplied by 2, 3 and 4, and according to that 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 1 plus 4 into x plus 2. When we added these three, and the result is 74. Now let us solve this. Now here 2x plus 3 into x 3x plus 3 into 1 3 plus 4 into x 4x plus 4 into 2 8 equals to 74. Here all the x should be added. 2x plus 3x 5x plus 4x 9x plus 3 plus 8 equals to 11, that equals to 74. And now 9x equals to this 11 to be taken to the RHS side, 74 minus 11. 9x equals to 63, and x, this 9 to be transposed to RHS side, 63 by 9, that is 7, 9 7s are 63, and x equals to 7. And now here x equals to 7. Now let us find three consecutive integers, that is x, x plus 1 and x plus 2, that is 7, 7 plus 1 and 7 plus 2, that implies 7, 8 and 9 are three consecutive integers. This is about the 8th problem. Now let us see 9th problem, that is the ages of Rahul and Haron are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. What are their present ages? Now here let us assume that the Rahul and Aaron's ages are 5x and 7x according to the given ratio. 5x is Rahul and 7x Haron. And now their present ages is 5x and 7x, and they have given that according to question 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56. 4 years later the Rahul age will be 5x plus 4 and Haron age will be 7x plus 4. Now they have given the sum of their ages is 56. Now let us add those two. 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 equals to 56. Now let us solve this. 5x plus 7x equals to 12x plus 4 plus 4 8, that equals to 56. Now 12x equals to 56 minus 8, that is 48. Now x equals to 48 divided by 12. This 12 taken to the RHS side. Now 12 ones, 12 fours, that is x equals to 4. Here x we get 4. And now the present ages of Rahul is 5x, that is 5 into 4 equals to 20. And Haron age is 7x, that is 7 into 4, that is 28. These are the present ages of Rahul and Haron, and this is about the 9th problem. Okay, now let us see the 10th question, that is the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the girls. What is the total class strength? Here given that the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. Now according to that, let us assume girls and boys are in the ratio 7:5. That is, let girls is 5x and boys 7x. Now here boys is 7x and girls is 5x, and according to the question, the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. That is, according to question, 7x equals to 5x plus 8, because the boys is 8 more than the girls. Now let us solve this. Now 7x minus 5x equals to 8. This 5x present in the RHS to be transposed to the LHS, and 7x minus 5x equals to 2x, that equals to 8. X equals to 8 by 2, that equals to 4. That implies x equals to 4. Now let us calculate the girls and boys count. That is, boys 7x, that equals to 7 into 4, 28, and girls 5x, that is 5 into 4, 20. And now the total class strength is equals to 28 plus 20, that equals to 48. Total class strength is 48, and this is about the 10th question. Now let us see the 11th question, that is Baicheng father is 26 years younger than Baicheng grandfather and 29 years older than Baicheng, and the sum of their ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each of them? Now we should assume that first the Baicheng father says, let his father says age equals to x years, and given that Baicheng father is 26 years younger than his grandfather, that is grandfather age is x plus 26 and Baicheng age equals to 29 years older than Baicheng, and that is x minus 29 years. And now according to the question, the sum of all the three ages is 35 years. According to that, x plus 26 plus x minus 29 equals to 135. Now x plus x that is 3x plus 26 minus 29 equals to minus 3, that equals to 135. That is 3x minus 3 equals to 135. This minus 3 to be transposed to RHS side, that is 3x equals to 135 plus 3. 3x equals to 135 plus 3, 138. Now x equals to 138 divided by 3. 3 ones, 3 fours are 12, 1 is the carry, and 3 6 are 18. And now that implies x equals to 46. X here Baicheng father age, and now Baicheng father age is 46. According to Baicheng father age, we should find Baicheng grandfather age and his age. Now let us see that. Now Baicheng grandfather age (46) plus 26, that equals to 72. Baicheng age equals to 46 minus 29, 17 years. And this is about the 11th question. Now let us see 12th question, that is 15 years from now, Ravi age will be 4 times his present age. What is the Ravi present age? Now let us assume the Ravi present age. Let Ravi present age equals to x years, and they have given that according to question, after 15 years his age will be 4 times the present age. That is, after 15 years his age will be x plus 15, that is equals to 4 times the present age, that is 4x equals to x plus 15. This x to be transposed to other side, that is 4x minus x equals to 15, that is 3x equals to 15, x equals to 15 by 3, x equals to 5 years. And now the Ravi present age is 5 years. And this is about the 12th question. In the next video, we will discuss some other problems in same exercise. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.